Good morning, girls. I hope these online sessions are giving enlightenment to you, and you must be learning about the topic of essay. In our topic of essay writing, in last session, I have given you an idea about the meaning of essay, then the strategies or the qualities which are to be adopted for the good essay. Now, in today's session, I am going to deal with the various types of essays you might have read, you might have observed while reading consciously or unconsciously. But formally, you are going to know about this variety of essays in today's session. Essay topics by category. There are plenty essay types, and the character of their topics depends on the specifics of each paper. While persuasive and argumentative essay topics may seem to be identical, cause and effect and narrative essay topics are completely different. Now, let me tell you very clearly about the different types of essays or titles are here given. Starting with this persuasive. Persuasive means it is creating a kind of understanding to you. Argumentative essay, wherein arguments are provided, wherein different views are given, different opinions are taken, may seem to be identical, cause and effect, giving result, giving a reason to write on a topic, on such a topic, and related to the topic, the effect according to the subject which is narrated by the writer. And narrative essay, which are elaborative essay, which are giving narration as per the topic, and all these types are completely different. So, my aim to provide this variety to you is to make you familiarize with the variety, and not only from the variety, but you must come to know about these types of essays, because in general you have written, you have practiced of writing essay, but you might not be familiar with its category. Let us know in brief about these few types of essay, starting with the argumentative essay. Or in argumentative essay, topics which are of what types? Is there too much pressure on teenagers to go college? This kind of arguments are raised sometimes by the parents, sometimes by the teenager themselves, and wherein different arguments are collected by the writer. Should more rights be given to immigrants so that they can migrate to other country? Do TV shows and movies have the responsibility of being more diverse? Because they can aware, media can aware the society. So, do we provide, or do they have such a responsibility? Then we provide some arguments while writing such essays. How fake news changes political and social life. News should always be real, but by taking such a topic while writing on it, you must be providing the arguments related to the fake news, related to the result, and related to the cause and effect that happen due to this political environment, or sometimes this affect to the political as well as social life. So these topics, in short, we find with the arguments, and while writing essay on these argumentative topics, we have to be very clear in providing arguments. Next is cause and effect topics. What is the effect of family vacations on family relationships? Naturally, while writing on such a topic, you would be giving about the cause, that if someone is going for the vacation, then ultimately it is making their relationship more and more stronger. The effect will be positive. So, the reason you have to provide, or the cause behind performing the action, and as well as effect that is related to it. What effect did human curiosity have in relation to our planet? Yes, Prithvi matra ne matra nahi, but people are very much curious, or they are having a habit to know about other planets, and their curiosity is increasing, and the effect of their curiosity will definitely change the human scenario. What are causes of environmental catastrophes? These environmental changes that we are finding, what are the reasons for that, and what is the effect, or ultimately we get the catastrophes. Catastrophe here means conclusion. What will be the outcome of this environmental change? How technology development affects the state of nature? Yes, you have to write accordingly that technology is beneficial as well as providing negative impacts on human mind, as well as it is becoming, or human minds are becoming more, they are becoming rather slave because of their technological usage. What are the causes of technological advancements in Japan? Karya ane karan. Cause, that is the reason. Effect, that is the impact ke asar. Technological advancement that we are finding in the Japan, what are the causes for that, in which you have to give elaboration accordingly. Next is narrative essay topics. Obviously, by reading the name, or by reading the title narrative, you must be thinking that in which you have to provide narration, that is varnan. Write about a time when you got hurt on the playground. What happened? તમને શું થયું હતું? Recall your mind when you were child, when you were young and you have fallen down, you got hurt on the playground. Then you should have given such a narration beautifully through your essay. An example of rebellion from your life. Rebellion, that is, you might have performed something extraordinarily in your life. That narration you can provide with an example that this happened in your life, and due to that incident it changed your whole life completely. Tell about morality problems that bother you and why. Of course, this is what the narration is required, wherein you have to give proper narration of morality problems. Morality problems એટલે કે નૈતિક મુશ્કેલીઓ, that is bothering you, that is giving you thinking. Next is informative essays. Obviously, you are providing information by adopting such topic for the writing. તમે આવા પ્રકારના વિષય જ્યારે પસંદ કરો છો કે વિષયો પસંદ કરો છો, in that case you are giving information to your audience, right, to the reader, that what do you know about this particular subject. A good topic for an informative essay focuses on emerging significant issues. It should add value to a paper and engage readers. Of course, a good topic for an informative essay should be focusing on what? Emerging, that is arising significant issues. અત્યારે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ સ્વનિર્ભર થવા માટેના પ્રયાસો ભારત છે એ ચલાવી રહ્યો છે. સો રિલેટેડ ટુ ધ સેલ્ફ રિલાયન્સ, રિલેટેડ ટુ ધીસ આત્મનિર્ભર concept, if you are providing information, then it becomes what? It becomes significant for the reader to know about these details. It should add value to a paper and engage reader to be focused and to give more concentration. Here we present informative essay topics to give you an idea. For example, methods of improving health standards in German schools. Yes, what kind of methods they are adopting in the schools. For especially from the health scenario, they wanted to, or their intention is to improve health standards in the particular schools. So what are that methods? That information may not be familiar to all the readers. વાંચનારને ખૂબ જ સરસ માહિતી કે વર્ણનાત્મક માહિતી દ્વારા સમજાય છે, રાઈટ? સો ઇન્ફોર્મેટિવ એસે or essays are also useful for the readers. Next is compare and contrast essay. The choice of compare and contrast essay topics are not an easy task because you need to show your analytical skills. You should be knowing about the process of analyzing. You should be able to compare the topic and giving different views by providing contrast to the essay. For example, what is the best choice for contemporary students? As a relevant topic which I have chosen for an example, traditional education or remote learning. So you might be observing the difference of these virtual sessions, that means online sessions, and whatever you are feeling in the class, that is giving a kind of a comparison to you to think, and you have to provide a difference, that is the contrast about the topic. Now girls, I need to give you an example of essay, how to write an essay. So here, as per the current subject or the scenario, I found out this is the proper suitable topic on which I need to discuss. So the topic is the psychological impact of COVID-19 on human mind. Firstly, you need to understand the title properly. Psychological impact એટલે અસર, psychological impact of COVID-19. Naturally, you must be thinking that it disturbed our psychology, it disturbed our economy, it disturbed our social life, it disturbed and it has created a distance for the human lives. So these some points, just you browse yourself, right, and you keep on brainstorming yourself, and you find out or you found out certain points while writing or for the writing of this particular essay. And I have given you an example by giving few things. You can elaborate this essay by providing your additional information into it. Let us know and discuss about this. Since last few months, all around the globe, we have been fighting with the frightful virus. Frightful, that is scary virus that has brought the world into a critical situation or crisis. છેલ્લા કેટલાક મહિનાઓથી આપણે આ વૈશ્વિક સમસ્યાથી કે વૈશ્વિક મહામારીથી પીડાઈ રહ્યા છીએ, રાઈટ? એન્ડ ધેટ ઇઝ પ્રોવાઇડિંગ અ ક્રિટિકલ સિચ્યુએશન એઝ વેલ એઝ ક્રાઇસિસ ફોર ધ હ્યુમન લાઈફ. It has been almost, so I am introducing the topic. This is what the introduction is required. It has been almost a 6 months medication or the vaccine has not been invented for the human solution. Still, scientists, they are keep on experimenting the thing, but we did not find out any vaccine for this disease. So after all these experiments, after all these surveys, but we failed to manage the solution for the human kind. Like soldiers bear psychological scares of battles, similarly this biological war has already started creating havoc on human minds of general people. Of course, after a war, we find a psychological disturbance on soldiers' mind. Soldiers, obviously, although they are strong, they get disturbance by these battles. Battle, that is fight. Similarly, this biological war without weapon, how you can fight with the world, that is biological war, has already started creating havoc, that is a kind of a disaster on human minds of general people. Fear of the COVID-19 has seized the world. Now, I am explaining the topic in detail. What is the psychological impact? It has seized the world. જીવનને સ્થગિત કરી દીધું છે, સ્થિર. It has become, or our life has rather become stagnant. We find drastic change in the living of humans and too affected to nature. પ્રકૃતિ પણ ઘણી સ્વચ્છ બની છે, as well as human lives are completely changed. Drastic, that is bigger. At this point of time, people have beginning to lose their hope and started to experience loss, frustration, and knocked up. Obviously, these are different phases of human nature. Sometimes we find depression, sometimes we find frustration, sometimes we get losing impact, and sometimes it knocked up or it literally disturbed us. Additionally, lockdown has lead down the depression both psychologically as well as economically to the doorsteps of every person. દરેક વ્યક્તિની માનસિક અને આર્થિક પરિસ્થિતિ ઉપર બહુ જ મોટી અસર કે છાપ આ લોકડાઉન પીરિયડ દરમિયાન લોકોએ અનુભવી, એન્ડ ઇટ હેઝ drastically changed their human lifestyles. The number of infected cases are increasing day by day. Now I am proving my topic by giving the current scenario of this disease. The increasing fear of coronavirus for the people, and there is no concrete treatment is being found out. So this is what the things we have observed, that the concrete, that is solid treatment which is not being found out by any country. So, anxiety and panic behavior is being performed by people. People are becoming more and more anxious. લોકોની ચિંતા વધતી જાય છે, panic, that their pain is increasing and their behavior is changing. At present, we are facing the transition process with only two options, either to make it or to break it. Transition, that is change. At present, we are facing the transition process. This change of our mind, this transition of our mind, either to make it, either to solve it, or to break it, or you have to face it. A human mind goes through 5 different stages of emotions when they suffer any traumatic experience. માણસ જ્યારે કોઈ પણ પ્રકારનો માનસિક આઘાત સહન કરે છે, this is what the mental trauma that you might have suffered, and wherein you passed on from these 5 emotions, 5 stages of emotions, which are denial, which are anger, bargaining, depression. Let us see how human mind is facing this pandemic situation through these 5 stages. Now, out of these 5, which I found out, and which whenever I was reading this particularly, then I found out these few stages more important to elaborate. So I have not elaborated all. Stages of denial. At this initial stage, people believe nothing bad can come to them. લોકોની ગેરમાન્યતા ઘણી વખત ગેરમાર્ગે દોરી શકે છે. એટલે જો લોકો એવું વિચારતા થઈ જાય કે ભાઈ they will not be harming by anyone or by any disastrous problem, then they are wrong. Deny means to say no. At this initial stage, they are ready to face, or they are believing that nothing bad come to them. If you recall the time when people heard about corona outbreak, then they were making the denial. શરૂઆતના સમયમાં when corona outbreak happened, at that time people were only making their denial. No one has imagined that they might suffer such consequences of this situation of pandemic. So they were not in a situation, or they were not in a mode of thinking like that in future, in the very near future, they will find this problem in a very serious manner. ઓર ધ કોન્સિક્વન્સીસ એટલે કે પરિણામો આટલા ગંભીર થઈ શકે. સ્ટેજ ઓફ એંગર. After denial comes to the stage of anger, and with anger comes pain. Obviously, anger will giving you obviously pain, and anger can be your great anchor while you are sinking. ગુસ્સો તમને અંતે ડૂબાડે છે. તમારા ક્રોધનું પરિણામ તમે ભોગવવા માટે તૈયાર રહેજો. સો don't be angry, don't lose your temper in any situation. That is the moral of the story. The imposition of lockdown has made many people aggressive. People are frustrated. After many months or after 2 to 3 months, they have become furious. એટલે કે એમને ગુસ્સો આવે છે. Because that has disturbed many people's personal lives. Many marriages are broken down. Or they got disturbance in their married life. So, next is state of depression. After reminiscing here, I say, indulge in enjoyable recollection of the past. The past, human mind tends to move towards their present. You can't all the time enjoy or get an enjoyment through your past memories. You have to upward yourself to the present. Feelings of emptiness takes root, opening door to the grief. Of course, you may find feeling of emptiness, ખાલીપાની અનુભૂતિ, and that is bringing grief, એટલે કે વ્યથા, loss and distressed. You become disturbed. It is not wrong to say that our country is passing through the stage of depression. This is the harsh reality of our country, that our country is passing from this crucial problem. People have lost their loved ones, and while the rest has seen the severe consequences that has brought down. Due to this corona virus, many people have lost their loved ones, and some are literally facing the consequences of that. Human minds have accepted this reality that nothing remains permanent and stagnant. Now I am concluding my topic with this core reality of life, that we have to accept this reality, and we have to accept this reality that nothing remains permanent and stagnant. એટલે કે સ્થિર. Everything is changing. So people have started readjusting their lives and to live life with core reality that corona has become integral part of human lives. Integral, that is important, crucial, that has become itself a part of human life. We have to live with this problem. The government has already given some relaxation in the lockdown. You might have observed this. The COVID-19 has given a new reality which world has to accept it. Our life is changed. Good and bad times are like seasons in which you can adjust and get a proper and handful of experience of this. So don't feel like you always get good time. Don't feel like you are only having a bad time, but you will be finding this transition of good and bad time by time. So in today's session, I am concluding by recapping the ideas that I have provided various types of essays, and then after I elaborated an essay about COVID-19 or the impact on human minds of COVID-19. So I hope that now your concept about the writing essay would be cleared. In the next session, I would be ending this topic by taking the last example for the essay writing. So we will meet again in the next week. Thank you very much and have a nice day.